Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. President Ashraf Ghani says several people have been killed and many wounded in a bombing during morning rush hour in central Kabul. The attack is thought to have targeted the offices of Afghanistan's main security agency. The Taliban has claimed responsibility for the attack. The Taliban launched its annual spring offensive last week. The number of people killed by a magnitude 7.8 earthquake in northwestern Ecuador has risen to at least 413. About 2,600 people have been injured. The quake on Sunday night destroyed buildings and knocked out power. More than 18,000 people are sleeping in shelters. President Rafael Correa says the rebuilding could cost billions of dollars. Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull has called an early election for July the 2nd. He made the announcement after Australia's upper house rejected a piece of legislation for a second time on Monday. Turnbull says he'll ask the Governor-General to dissolve Parliament early next month. He said the so-called double dissolution is a way of giving the people their say. It means it's an occasion when the House and the Senate can't agree persistently, and so then everyone goes to the polls. He says he believes his Liberal Party will win the election. His party currently holds the most seats in the lower house, but it doesn't have enough seats to push legislation through the Senate. Scientists have discovered that dinosaurs may have been dying out long before a meteorite hit Earth 66 million years ago. That meteorite is often credited with driving dinosaurs to extinction, but the new research says the populations of some species were on the decline as early as 100 million years ago. It's likely they weren't able to adapt to changes on the planet. But paleontologists can't agree if the dinosaurs would still be around today if the meteorite hadn't hit. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.